Welcome to the 40 Style Guide. Today we're diving into a topic most men don't realize your wife is silently judging. What's in your closet? Yes, those old t-shirts, clunky shoes, or flashy belts might seem harmless, but they're quietly killing your style in her eyes. As a man over 40, your wardrobe should reflect maturity, refinement, and confidence. In this video, we'll reveal the 10 things your wife secretly hates in your closet and what you should wear instead. Small upgrades can make a massive difference in how you're perceived at home and in public. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to the 40 Style Guide for timeless fashion advice tailored to men over 40.
1. Stretched out t-shirts. Every man over 40 owns at least a few t-shirts that have seen better days. Collars stretched, fabric thinned, and colors faded. While you may keep them for comfort, your wife secretly hates them because they instantly downgrade your look. What you see as casual often reads as careless. A grown man should have t-shirts that fit well, hold their shape, and project maturity. Swap out those saggy, washed-out shirts for clean, structured cotton tees in neutral colors like white, navy, or olive. They'll keep you comfortable while signaling that you still care about your appearance. Your wife notices these details, and a crisp tee communicates far more confidence than one that looks like it's been through 1,000 laundry cycles. Two, baggy, outdated jeans. If there's one thing guaranteed to frustrate your wife, it's those baggy jeans that look like they belong in the late 90s. Oversized denim with sagging knees and outdated washes sends the wrong message about your style. They make you appear heavier, shorter, and older than you actually are. Instead, modern jeans for men over 40 should be straight leg or slightly tapered, offering a cleaner silhouette. Dark indigo or refined mid-wash adds maturity without trying too hard. By ditching the oversized denim, you instantly sharpen your look and step into a wardrobe that reflects who you are today, not who you were 20 years ago. It's about evolving with style and proving that casual wear can still feel sophisticated. Three, overly graphic hoodies. Graphic hoodies plastered with logos, slogans, or cartoonish designs might have been cool in your 20s, but over 40 they clash with the refined image your wife wants you to project. While hoodies can absolutely have a place in your wardrobe, they should be simple, minimalist, and well-fitted. A solid colored hoodie in gray, navy, or cream instantly looks more grown-up and versatile. Working with jeans, chinos, or layered under a jacket, swap the bold prints for understated style, and you'll find that your wife will stop rolling her eyes every time you wear it. The key is to keep comfort while proving you still understand how to dress for your age. With a modern twist, Four, worn-out sneakers. Every guy has a favorite pair of sneakers he just can't let go of. Beat-up soles, fraying laces, and scuffed uppers. To you, they're broken in, but to your wife, they look broken down. Shoes make a huge first impression, and worn-out sneakers drag down your entire outfit. A man over 40 should invest in fresh, clean sneakers with timeless designs. Think white leather, navy suede, or muted tones that complement casual fits. You don't need a huge collection, just reliable pairs that look sharp. The moment you replace those ragged shoes, your whole outfit upgrades, and your wife will notice immediately. Clean footwear communicates that you value yourself and the impression you leave behind. 5. Cargo shorts with too many pockets. Cargo shorts might win points for practicality, but they lose serious style points in your wife's size. Those oversized pockets, bulky fabric, and outdated cuts scream sloppy rather than stylish. At 40 plus, you don't need to carry your entire toolkit in your shorts. Instead, opt for streamlined chino shorts or tailored casual options that end just above the knee. They keep your look modern and mature while still offering comfort for warmer days. Neutral shades like khaki, navy, or olive work best, giving you versatility without the dad on vacation vibe. By replacing bulky cargo shorts with refined alternatives, you'll maintain comfort while showing your wife that you understand the difference between practical and polished. Six loud pattern shirts. That tropical shirt with neon palm trees might bring back vacation memories, but your wife likely cringes every time you wear it. Loud, busy prints overwhelm your frame and make you look like you're trying too hard. For men over 40, refinement comes from subtlety. Instead of shirts screaming for attention, choose patterns with restraint. Think fine stripes, soft checks, or small prints in muted tones. These add personality without looking like a costume. Pair them with solid trousers or chinos to balance the look. By trading wild patterns for understated elegance, you project maturity while still keeping your style interesting. Your wife will appreciate that you can express character without losing sophistication. Seven. Oversized belts with flashy buckles. Big chunky belts with oversized buckles are another silent offender in your closet. They might feel rugged or expressive, but your wife sees them as tacky and outdated. Accessories should complement, not dominate, your outfit. Instead of wearing belts that scream for attention, invest in slim, high-quality leather belts in brown or black with simple metal buckles. These small details elevate your entire look while showing restraint and maturity. A good belt is like punctuation. It finishes your outfit cleanly without stealing the spotlight. When your wife sees you swap those gaudy buckles for something refined, she'll know you understand the difference between stylish and showy. Eight. Faded polo shirts. Polo shirts can be a staple in a man's wardrobe, but when there's sun bleach, saggy, or frayed at the collar, they quickly lose their appeal. Your wife notices these flaws even if you convince yourself they're still fine. Instead, polos should look sharp, fitted, and made from high-quality cotton or peak fabric. Stick to timeless colors like navy, white, or olive tones that flatter mature skin and pair easily with trousers or shorts. The difference between a worn-out polo and a fresh one is night and day. With the right polo, you look athletic, sharp, and put together. With the wrong one, you look careless. Upgrade, and your wife will instantly notice the change. Nine. Cheap synthetic jackets. That shiny polyester jacket sitting in your closet may have been a bargain, but it's costing you style points. Cheap synthetic fabrics reflect light awkwardly, fit poorly, and rarely age well. Your wife dislikes them because they make even a decent outfit look instantly cheap. Instead, look for jackets in cotton, linen blends, or lightweight wool materials that breathe, drape naturally, and show quiet quality. A simple bomber or Harrington jacket in neutral shades can transform a casual look into something effortlessly stylish. Quality outerwear is an investment that pays off every time you wear it, and it reassures your wife that you value long-lasting pieces over throwaway trends. Ten novelty ties. Those bright novelty ties with cartoon prints or holiday themes may have been gifts, but they don't belong in your regular wardrobe. To your wife, they look immature and undermine your authority in both personal and professional settings. A man over 40 should choose ties that project sophistication, solid colors, subtle textures, or refined patterns like herringbone or small dots. These work with suits or sport coats without drawing unwanted attention. A well-chosen tie is a mark of maturity, signaling that you know when to keep things elegant. Keep novelty ties for costume parties, not serious occasions, and your wife will breathe a sigh of relief every time you get dressed. "11. Ill-fitting dress shirts. A dress shirt that balloons at the waist or strains at the buttons is something your wife quietly hates. Poor fit ruins the sharpness of an outfit, no matter how expensive the shirt is. For men over 40, tailoring is essential. A well-fitted dress shirt should skim your frame without pulling, giving you shape without feeling restrictive. Opt for cotton fabrics with a slight stretch for comfort. Stick to versatile colors like crisp white, pale blue, or soft gray, which pair easily with blazers, trousers, or even jeans. By replacing sloppy shirts with fitted ones, you instantly appear leaner, taller, and more polished. Your wife will notice that you've stepped up your game from average to refined. "12. Old athletic jerseys. That basketball or football jersey from your college years might hold sentimental value, but your wife hates seeing it in rotation. Athletic jerseys look out of place on a man over 40 unless you're at the game or working out. They clash with the maturity you should project in everyday settings. Instead of relying on jerseys for casual wear, choose elevated alternatives like breathable polos, Henleys, or casual button-downs. These pieces give you comfort while still showing refinement. Save the sports memorabilia for the stadium or your collection wall. By updating your off-duty style, you look like a man who has grown with time, not someone clinging to the past." "13. Shiny square toe shoes. If you still have a pair of shiny square toe dress shoes in your closet, chances are your wife despises them. Once popular, they now signal outdated fashion and cheap construction. The square shape makes feet look clunky and throws off the balance of your outfit. Men over 40 should invest in timeless footwear, rounded or almond-toe leather shoes like Oxfords, derbies, or loafers. Choose classic shades like brown, tan, or black and matte, or lightly polished finishes. These never go out of style and complement both formal and smart casual looks. By ditching the outdated square toe, you'll not only modernize your appearance, but also show your wife you understand the difference between dated and timeless. "14. Oversized logo tees. Big logo t-shirts shouting brand names across the chest may feel trendy, but to your wife, they look juvenile and insecure. Over 40, your style should whisper confidence, not scream for attention. Large graphics and logos date quickly, while minimalist designs stay relevant for years. Swap those logo-heavy tees for plain or subtly branded shirts in neutral colors. This creates a cleaner silhouette that pairs with jeans, chinos, or even under a blazer. Your wife will appreciate the maturity of a wardrobe that reflects quiet confidence, rather than brand obsession. After all, true style is about the man, not the logo. "15. Baggy sweatpants. Comfort has its place, but oversized sweatpants with saggy knees and loose hems make you look sloppy at best. Your wife sees them as lazy wear, suitable only for lounging at home. Men over 40 should upgrade to tailored joggers or slim-fit casual trousers that deliver both comfort and style. Look for cotton blends with a bit of stretch, clean finishes, and tapered cuts that keep the look sharp. In neutral colors like black, gray, or navy, these pieces work with polos, tees, or hoodies without sacrificing refinement. By swapping baggy sweats for modern joggers, you look relaxed yet intentional, something your wife will definitely appreciate. And there you have it, the 10 things your wife secretly hates in your closet. The truth is, most of these mistakes are easy to fix, but they make a huge difference in how you look and how you're perceived. At 40 and beyond, every detail matters: the fit, the fabric, the color, and the overall message your wardrobe sends. By removing outdated or sloppy items, you instantly elevate your style and show the world and your wife that you still care about how you present yourself. If this video helped you see your closet in a new way, don't forget to hit subscribe to the 40 Style Guide. Join us for more timeless tips designed for confident men over 40.